guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I just wanted to do a quick video on how I preserve my wash and goes overnight. And basically I just take a headband and I wrap it around and then just push it up basically into like a pineapple and push it through a little bit, and then I just throw my bonnet over it. So that's it. And then in the morning I'll show you guys what I do to refresh my wash and go. I know everyone's hair doesn't really fall after they put it down like this, put it up like this, but this is how it works for my hair. Good morning guys. So as promised, I'm going to show you guys how I refresh my wash and goes when I get up in the morning. So just took my bonnet off. Now I'm just going to take my headband out. And then shake my hair. See, for the most part, my hair just falls back into place. And I also love that headband method because it helps to stretch my hair, because my hair shrinks really bad. And it gets quite annoying. So now I'm just gonna shape and fluff my hair. Usually I would spray my hair with some water and then add gel where it's needed, but looks like I lucked up today and might be able to get away with just fluffing my hair.
So I'm just gonna line my edges again.
And that's about it. Let me give you a 360 view. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.